Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage passive income with M1 Finance, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To manage passive income with M1 Finance, start by downloading the app or visiting the website. Create an account by signing up with your email and a secure password. Complete the necessary identity verification steps as prompted. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the main dashboard. Select the Invest tab to begin building your portfolio. Choose Create a new pie to design your investment strategy. Allocate your funds by selecting various stocks and ETFs that align with your financial goals. Adjust the percentages for each investment based on your risk tolerance. Preview your pie to ensure it meets your desired allocation. Proceed to fund your investment by linking your bank account. Deposit funds into your M1 Finance account to initiate your investments. Monitor your portfolio regularly through the dashboard. Utilize the rebalance feature to maintain your desired asset allocation. Explore the Earn section to view potential passive income from dividends. Consider setting up automatic deposits to consistently invest over time. Review your investment performance periodically to make any necessary adjustments. Stay informed about market trends to optimize your passive income strategy. Leverage M1 Finance's educational resources to enhance your investing knowledge. This will help you make informed decisions about your passive income management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.